Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Traffic 100k review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving Traffic 100k for only $2. Its real worth is $17, but when you buy from my link, you will get your $15 back. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link, I will get some commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this, then you will definitely buy some of its upgrades, and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is Traffic 100k is all about. Traffic 100k is a cloud-based software which will bring millions of targeted buyers to any link you want so that you can make more money. You will get unlimited traffic with it, and it will run on fully autopilot. Now let me tell you what it does. So Traffic 100k will find viral short videos in your niche and create these videos in unique way by adding some more things and effects and make it eye grabbing, and after that blast it in front of millions of buyers within a simple click. So it is a fully newbie friendly, and you will also get training with full support included in it. You can set it up once and see money in your pocket from the day one, and it also have commercial license included so that you can make more amount of money with this. And more details of Traffic 100k I will give you later in this video. So Traffic 100k is going live on 7 August 10 am EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page, and it will bring you to the sales page of the Traffic 100k where you can buy it. So pick the Traffic 100k before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses so that you can get best out of as possible, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below this video. Now let me tell you what are my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app, and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product, and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month, and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free.
So, my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins, and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes. And the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now, my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So, this is the next bonus that if you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list that my list have over than 120k subscribers and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So, my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So, my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money. Because with the help of bonuses, you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money, and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will assess all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now, my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study, I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB Traffic app from my link, which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them.
So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you need to do is click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page. Just be aware that it goes live on 7 August 10 am EST. So when it goes live, you can buy it from there. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you purchase it, then in your Warrior Plus history, you can see there this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product of Traffic 100K, which is only for $17. And as you know that I am giving your $15 back with all of my bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of Traffic 100K. Now I am on the sales page of Traffic 100K, and as you can see there, attention, still struggling to generate traffic, then today is your lucky day. Revealed, generate hundreds and thousands of free visitors to any offer by legally stealing other people's videos, working just 15 minutes a day. So you will work only 15 minutes a day. Tap into billions of free visitors using our new groundbreaking tech earlier, only available to celebrities and big businesses. So you can watch it this introduction video. It will tell you more about Traffic 100K, and as you can see there, it is newbie friendly, no skills required, no experience needed, and it is highly scalable and repeatable. Now here are some of its features. It is groundbreaking concept which bring unlimited traffic to any offer page you want. Get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch. Get better results from your paid ads. Gives you 20x more leads, traffic and sales from all our videos. Be up and running in 5 minutes. Fully automated. Set it up once and forget about it for months or work just 15 minutes per day. Works even if you have no experience and no tech skills. It have unlimited potential. Works in any niche and in any offer. Low one-time price during launch period, and commercial license allowing to resell these videos for high profit. And you can buy it by clicking this button. And as you can see there, getting traffic with Traffic 100K is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1, leverage. Find a viral video in your niche or upload any video you like. Step 2, multiply 100x. Turn it into hundreds little videos, customize it and add your link. Step 3. Profit. Publish or schedule for months and generate free traffic 24 by 7. So it's a very good thing. Now as you can see there are some their results of traffic 100k, and there are some more results you can see, and here some more information you can check it out. Now as you can see, and if you are really want to this make work, then you need to, so you don't have to do anything, create any viral videos, create hundreds of videos, edit them, upload them, make them attention grabbing, manually post them, spending hours, or hire any expensive agency. You don't have to do anything with traffic 100k. Now here's some more information, and as you can see, he is the creator of this product, Yogesh Agarwal, and he is a very good creator, and his all products are very good and everyone make money from them. Now here's some more information of it, you can read it out. Now here's some more images and income proofs. Now as you can see there are some more details, and as you can see there some of its awesome features. Turn one video into many attention grabbing, highly engaging and traffic pulling videos. You are getting done for your templates. You also getting mass edit all videos in just one click. Edit or modify videos individually. Add amazing and never seen before effects with ease. Add video progress bar. Add captivating subtitles. Effortless branding to all in one click. Edit canvas and video dimension. Easy multi-layer editing. Download your videos to use anywhere you want. Add description tags to all in just one click. Publish instantly or schedule for all in months to come. Go viral instantly without guessing. And it also have commercial license included so that you can sell these videos to make higher commissions. Now here's a short introduction of traffic 100k of 100 seconds, and you can also watch it. It will tell you what inside the members area of traffic 100k. And as you can see there, here's why traffic 100k is so effective. Be up and running in 5 minutes. Truly set and forget system. Quick and easy, instant result. Newbie friendly, impossible to saturate. Rinse and repeat. Work in any niche country or in language. Now these guy also give you some bonuses to buy traffic 100k. Bonus number 1 you are getting is live webinar training, in which they will tell you how you can succeed and make more money with traffic 100k. Bonus 2 you are getting is done for you viral templates. Bonus 3 you are getting is 100 hand-picked campaigns to spy on. Bonus 4 you are getting is training on how to make money with it. Bonus 5 you are getting is how to scale with paid ads. So these are the all bonuses you are getting with traffic 100k. Now there are some testimonials as you can see there. Now here is some more information, you can read it out in your own time. And as you can see there, it have 100% money back guarantee of 30 days, which mean if you don't make money in 30 days with this, then you can refund it and they will give your money back to you. Now here you can see, in fact if you act fast today you get instant access to traffic 100k for just, and it's have two packages. First package is product basic for $27, in which you will get awesome features, super cool, even cooler feature, amazing and so much more. And its most popular feature is product pro, in which it is only for $37, and in which you are getting awesome feature, even cooler feature and so much more. Awesome feature, even cooler feature, so much more, so you will get more things with it. Now here's some information about its product creator. Now here are some frequently asked question. Do I need to download anything to use it? No, absolutely not. It is a cloud based, so you can use it on any device, but you have an internet connection. Is the commercial license a part of the main offer itself? Yes, it's have. Now you can read this information from there. So this is the whole sales page of traffic 100k, and it is very detailed product, so I don't want to make this video long, that's why I not tell more about it, so you can check it out in your own time, the sales page of traffic 100k. It does not need to show you that how is its members area, because it is not much hard to make money from it, because it is very simple way to make money with traffic 100k. And if you want to make or show its demo, then you can watch it on the sales page. As I'll tell before that it's have 100 second its members area demo, so you can watch it from there, and it's nothing to need to show its members area, you can watch it from there. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is traffic 100k, and as I'll tell before that it's have two packages of $17 and $27. Now its OTO one is traffic 100k pro for only $47, in which you will get some its extra pro features. You will get 4x traffic and income potential. You can create and download unlimited campaigns. You can schedule unlimited campaigns per month, and you will also get more done for your templates. You will also get auto generated subtitle with traffic 100k pro version, and it's also have commercial license included. Now its OTO 2 is Point Rank 2.0, which is only for $47, and in which you are getting it rank. You will rank your simple videos on YouTube, Google, and it will help you to rank these on. Now its OTO 3 is Traffic 100k reseller, in which you can resell Traffic 100k and make huge amount of money, and it is only for $297, in which you can sell in this to your clients and make money from them. So these are the upsell, and after the launch period there some may changes in these upsell. So when it's some changes there happen, then I will update on my bonus page, so you can check it out from there. And in my recommendation you should purchase it OTO 1, which is traffic 100k pro, and it is only for $47, in which you can unlock all its premium features and everything unlimited with it. So these are the all upsell of traffic 100k, and it's all about. Don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page, and thank you for watching my traffic 100k review video, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care, bye.